A very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a topic that is classification of anticonvulsant drugs. Okay, so before discussion of the classification of drugs, we would know about the anticonvulsant drugs. So anticonvulsant drugs are the drugs that are used to arrest convulsions or seizures caused in epilepsy. Okay. Uh, Epilepsy is a common neurological abnormality. Actually, epilepsy is a chronic disorder of brain function characterized by recurrent seizures, often accompanied by episodes of unconsciousness or amnesia. Okay, so epilepsy is a disease that occurs due to central nervous system disorder, which is characterized by seizures and convulsions or abnormal body movements with the loss of consciousness. So come to the topic, according to the seizures or type of seizures or epilepsy, we are classified the drugs of anticonvulsants. So based on the pharmacological action, anticonvulsant drugs can be classified as following. Number 1 is centrally acting, number 2 is acting mainly on the spinal cord, and number 3 is peripheral skeleton muscle relaxant. So the in number 1 is central acting. These are the drugs which are which are having the action on the central nervous system, like general anesthetics, paraldehyde, barbiturates, and diazepam, and etc. Many more drugs come into the centrally acting. Number 2 is acting mainly on the spinal cord, like mefenacin. Number 3 is peripheral skeleton muscle relaxants. Drugs are D-tubocurarine and succinylcholine. These are the drugs which comes into the pharmacological classification. Now the classification is according to their structure. Number 1 is barbiturates, hydantoin. Number 3 is oxazolidine derivatives. Number 4th is succinimide. Number 5th is phenylacetylurea. 6th is benzodiazepine. 7th is carbonic anhydrase inhibitors. 8th one is GABA analogs. 9th one is immunostimulants. 10th is miscellaneous drugs, and 11th is newer anticonvulsant drugs. So different type of drugs which are comes into the classification of anticonvulsant drugs, which are based upon their structural activity. Okay, these are the number 1 classification is barbiturates. This is the basic structure of the barbiturate drugs. These are the example of barbiturate drugs. So there are many three important barbiturates that shows the anticonvulsant properties are following. These are the phenobarbital, mifebarbital, methobarbital. Most of the barbiturates are sedatives and hypnotics. Okay, only a few of them shows the anticonvulsant characteristic. Now come to the hydantoin. This is the second one of the anticonvulsant drug. This is the basic structure of the hydantoin drugs. These are the derivative. This is the phenytoin. Whenever we substitute at that positions, these are the substituents. The new drug, that is phenytoin, is ready. So phenylethyl hydantoin or mephentoin, ethotoin, etc. These are the drugs comes into the example of hydantoin drugs. So hydantoin are the close structural relatives of barbituric acid, differing due to the lack of carbon 6 oxo group. Next number, the lack of these carbonyl group decreases the acidity, so it is the weaker acid than that the barbiturates. So now come to the next classes, that is oxazolidine diones. This is the structure of this category, and these are the example of drugs which comes into this class, that is trimethadione, paramethadione, meloxicam, and dimethadone, etc. These are the drugs which comes into this class. So replacement of the NH, where the this one, replacement of the NH group at the position 1 of the hydrogen structure system with oxygen atom yield the oxazolidines 2,4-dione system. Trimethadione is the only clinical used. Now next one is succinimide. This is the general structure of succinimide drugs. Okay, these are the example of drugs. This is phensuximide, methosuximide, and ethosuximide. These are the drugs which are comes under into the succinimide class. Next one is fifth, acetylurea derivative. This is the fifth category of the drug, acetylurea. This is the basic structure of the acetylurea derivatives. These the drugs like phenacimide, phenyl ethyl acetylurea are the drugs which comes under into the acetylurea derivatives. Okay, and next one is benzodiazepine, nitrazepam, and clonazepam are the drugs which comes under into the benzodiazepine drugs. Next one is carbonic anhydrase inhibitors. The drugs example is acetazolamide, ethoxazolamide, sulthiam. This is the drugs. These are the drugs which comes under the seventh category of the anti-convulsant drugs. Next one is GABA analogs. Actually GABA, this one miscellaneous drugs में आता है GABA analogs, जैसे vigabatrin. Vigabatrin is the class drug which come into the GABA analogs. Prograbamide, tiagabamide, gabapentin, etc. These type of drugs which come into the GABA analogs. And next one is immunostables. This is the 10th one, or comes into the immunostables. This is the carbamazepine. Example of drugs which come under this category. Next one is newer anticonvulsants. Newer anticonvulsant drugs like zonisamide. This is the basic structure of this drug, like denzimol, denzamides, lamotrigine, topiramate, relitoline, nifedipines, etc. These type of new drugs which are newly synthesized for the treatment of seizures or anticonvulsant activities. Okay, actually these drugs are used for the treating epileptic disorders. Okay, actually pharmacological actions, drugs used for treating epileptic disorder like partial seizures, generalized seizures, myoclonic seizures, atonic seizures, tonic-clonic seizures, status epileptics. Okay, different type of drugs are used for different type of seizures, treating different type of seizures. Okay, partial seizures are categorized into different type of category like simple, complex, partial, or with secondarily generalized. Okay, like carbamazepine, phenytoin, phenobarbital, primidone, valproate are the drugs which are used to treat the partial type of seizures. Okay, and generalized seizures, for the generalized seizures, ethosuximide, valproate, clonazepam, these drugs are used to treat the generalized seizure. And valproate, clonazepam, these are the drugs which are used to myoclonic seizures treatment. Valproate is used to treating the atonic seizure, and carbamazepine, phenytoin, gabapentin, phenobarbital, valproate, etc. These type of drugs are used to treat tonic and clonic seizures. Okay, and diazepam, iorazepam, followed by the phenytoin, for these type of drugs which are used to status epileptics. These are the different type of seizures and different type of drugs which are used to treat the different type of consciousness. Okay, thank you.